And that is something that we all can learn from. If the conditions are right, then the habits form easily. And I think that in a lot of ways, one of the more important questions to ask is, am I creating the conditions for success? So I'll give you an example that I applied to my personal life. I've had a good exercise habit, a good workout and training program for the last 20 years or so. All the way through having our first kid, I did a really good job. I actually was in very good shape when our second was born. And then I had a year that was just tough. It was just, we had, little babies and it got harder. And then we decided to have a third. And I could just see that like, this was, my time is getting compressed. Atomic Habits is like runaway freight train. I'm trying to keep a hold of that. There's a lot of demands on time. And so I hired a trainer to start right around when our third was born. And the interesting thing about that is that I don't miss workouts anymore. I don't necessarily, the workouts are good. Like it's not anything about like quality or anything like that, but I don't miss. And it's just because he's showing up. Everybody in the house respects it. It's like, oh, this has to happen this time. Somebody else is coming in. And so what I'm getting at is, on the surface, it looks like, oh, you're having a problem with working out. Let's try to diagnose, like, how can we fix the workout problem? That really wasn't the problem. The problem wasn't me doing the workout. The problem was I needed to create the conditions for a workout to happen. And so I needed to create the conditions for success. And by doing that, suddenly everything else fell into place. And I think if you took that idea seriously and tried to apply it to whatever was important in your life, okay, you want to write a book? How are you creating the optimal conditions for writing to happen? You want to meditate more? How are you creating the conditions for a meditation session to be seamless and easy? And the more that you can do that stuff, the much more likely the habits are to occur.